Okay, this time we will make a displacement diagram for a body, no, in which the motion is constant acceleration, positive constant acceleration in which the body rises. Okay, so plot the displacement diagram of your body that is to rise 1 inch in 6 seconds with positive constant acceleration. Plot the displacement as ordinates, full size, or that is the y-axis, and the time as abscissas as to a scale of 1 inch is equal to 4 seconds. Okay, so we have here the uh, time and displacement axis, time and displacement plane. Now, so according to the problem, 1 inch is equal to 4 seconds. Okay, so if we measure these 4 lines, red lines, so we have 1 inch. That means that every vertical line corresponds to 1 second. Okay, then if we measure the displacement, this is 1 inch. Right. Okay. So since this is 6 lines, vertical lines, so we have 6. We also have to divide the last line into 6. So we see the color cyan lines. Okay. Now we will draw another line, maybe green. We draw a line from the starting point of the follower here, the origin, into the first cyan line, like that. Okay, then continue. Okay, alright, then we choose blue one for the profile of the motion. Okay, we select this spline, this one, and we change the line weight. Okay, so we will draw again. We connect the origin or the starting point of the follower to the intersection of the green and the red line, this one. Okay, like that, this, and this one. Okay, so this is the profile of the motion of the follower having a constant or having a positive constant acceleration motion in which the follower or the body rises. Okay, so our next lecture will be on negative constant acceleration, that is the body is going to rise. Okay, thank you.